Hello friends, I am Deepali. Welcome to my channel Majestic Avenue. Oregon coast is full of cute little towns and beautiful tucked away state parks. So after exploring amazing and stunning views of Rockway Beach, we are on our way to next destination, that is Cape Kiwanda. We are approaching Cape Kiwanda Pacific City town. When visiting Cape Kiwanda, there is a parking lot right by the Pacific City beach, which has $10 per day fees. During busy summer season, parking here can be quite competitive, especially on weekends or holidays. So I would recommend getting there early to be sure you can snag a spot. You will see the signboard along the parking area. On this board, you will get the story of the Pacific City Dory. Dory means a narrow deep bodied fish with a mouth that can be opened very wide. Here is a fish station for parking your vehicle. Now we are going on the beach. Cape Kiwanda State Natural Area is located just under a mile north of Pacific City, about halfway between Tillamook and Lincoln City on the Oregon coast. Geologists say Cape Kiwanda actually extended all the way to Haystack Rock at one time. But the north and south faces were eroded away and finally separated it from the Big Rock. Feeling the sound of waves and walking on the beach is really an amazing experience. This area has the highest sand dune on the Pacific shore. It is 240 feet high. Visitors love to climb it, struggling mightily on the way up and running on the way down. Cape Kiwanda is flanked both to the north and the south by wide stretches of sandy beaches that are perfect for long strolls or taking in the breathtaking Pacific Ocean views. What an amazing reflection views! People are enjoying here. It is really family friendly. You can also do the campfire here and enjoy the view in the evening. It's a gorgeous hunk of stone, and from certain angles nearby, you can see a dramatic arch. What a beautiful colors and sound of sea waves. I just love the view. I'm feeling so calm and relaxed. I couldn't control myself to touch this crystal clear water. On this beach every year, they held annual surfing competition called the Cape Kiwanda Longboard Classic. Before moving to the Pacific Northwest, I had never heard of tide pooling, but it's whole thing here. The best tide pools for spotting sea creatures are on the north side of Pacific City Beach. Just south of Cape Kiwanda, here you can spot colorful sea anemones, starfish, crabs, and sometimes even small fish called sculpin. So, this Pacific city has all of the Pacific Northwest vibes you dream of. Soaring sand dunes, towering sea stacks, and dramatic ocean cliffs. There is so much to see and do in this little slice of heaven. So definitely visit here and enjoy this natural beauty. We are moving. It's time to hit road for next destination, and I have a hard feeling to say goodbye to this beautiful Cape Kiwanda. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. See you in next video.